Google Bard AI ChatGPT complete tutorial is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, open the web browser. Then search here for Bard AI. Now click to open its site. Once you get into Bard AI, click on Next and Done. Then you will be able to use Bard AI. You can create products names, revise my writing, and write SQL. Or you can explore sports recommendations, cooking trends, and new language phrases. You can also check out the brand activity by clicking on the watch icon. Also, you will find extensions, help, and settings icon from the top bar. You can change the theme from settings to dark or light. And if you click on your profile, you will find account settings from here. Then, tap to enter the prompt like Hi Bard. It will provide you with the introduction and response. Then, you can ask for anything like write a rap on social media. Bard will provide you the complete rap according to your need. Now pass another instruction like write HTML and CSS codes of a full stock landing page. Then, it will provide you with the full HTML CSS code on the stock landing page. Now let's ask about explaining your all features in 10 one-word steps. So, it will provide you with the 10 features of Bard here.